We're at the AHR Show 2026 here in Las Vegas, Nevada, and we're going to show you a demo on the Acrobat iSeries. I'm Jeff Turner, Director of Mechanical Solutions at McElroy, and with me is one of our product managers, Jared Thompson. Jared, tell us about it.
We're really setting the bar at AHR with this machine.
Yeah.
All the technology and all the stuff we've learned from our data logger, automation all comes full circle with this package. From the HPU to the indexer and heater that auto rejects, all the way down to auto facing. It truly is a fantastic machine. We're happy to show you today.
Yeah, walk us through it.
Yeah, so when we get the pipe loaded, I've already put my credentials into the data logger. I've got all my pipe size loaded, my ambient temperatures, everything is ready to go up until facing.
And the data logger, as you guys will see, is going to run every bit of the operation here as he puts it into auto, which is really cool.
Yep, so the first thing we do when the pipe's ready to roll, we'd grab our facer, which sits in nicely. When it's turned on, the machine picks up the current and allows us to do auto facing. All auto facing is a click of a button. The pipe's going to come together by the carriage at the right PSI. It's going to face to the stops, and it controls that PSI so the operator's not over pressuring the system and really causing damage to your facer blades. So once that's complete, the carriage actually opens up on its own.
Yeah.
It allows me to remove my facer and then get to work. So that's already been done.
So there's the first bit of automation you get, auto facing. So many people always ask, hey, what's the pressure for facing? Don't worry about it. This machine is going to moderate that. Yeah,
that's absolutely correct. So another feature, making installation easier for operators to do, drag. We all know that can be a pain, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Well, we do it for you by automatically calculating and measuring drag.
Show us how it auto drags for you.
So we've gotten to the screen, we're here to hit drag. You can see we still give you options to do it manually, but this is level 3 Fusion and we're gonna do it automatically. So I'm gonna hit OK and confirm, and we're off to the races. Now Jeff, it's not only gonna do drag, we're gonna calculate a meet point. We're also gonna do a slip check as we're calculating drag at the same time.
So all the things that you had to do before on your own by operating the controls, now the data logger is running it for you.
That's correct. Really taking the human error out of the process.
Yeah, absolutely.
Right, more efficient. So as you can tell, now we're just doing a slip check as well. We can hear some audible beeps, and we can look on our screen and say, we should be done here shortly.
No, that's great. And the slip check is very important, because what you don't want is for your pipe to slip in the jaws if you haven't locked it down tight enough. So, and that's really, really important.
So once that's done, I'm gonna open up my carriage. On the way down, the new heater allows me to do hands-free if I need to get any heater measurements.
Yeah.
Bring that in, do all my heater measurements, put those in, we hit next, and we're ready to start our fusion.
So you check the heater, you clean the heater, you cleaned off the ends of the pipe, and you went right to begin your fusion.
That is right. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and start our fusion. It's gonna bring it together. And now we're in the beat up.
The beat up stage. So, gosh, what's gonna happen here whenever you have to do the shift sequence?
It's gonna do it automatically for us. And we can see, I'm in demo mode, I'm gonna skip forward. It's gonna automatically drop us down into the heat soak.
So instead of me having to make the changes to the levers or the switches, it does it for me.
Does it for me.
Automatically, goes right into the drag pressure zone. And so as it goes through the drag pressure, once it gets to the heat soak time, as it hits drag pressure, goes through heat soak, what happens?
So then the next thing we're gonna do, this is the great feature. It's gonna remove the heater for you and then bring the pipe ends together for the fuse cool.
And it's gonna put it in to fusion pressure automatically by yourself.
That's correct, and we're gonna see that right now. So we're gonna see our open close, and that's automatically going in to our fusion pressure.
Operators should love this, because once they know they get into heat soak here, they can go set up the other machine.
Yeah, it really allows them to be more
And they don't have to do anything until this gets in to fusion, until the fusion time is up.
That's right. You could have another machine behind you. You could already be starting another fusion while this one's fusion cooling. Allows you to be more productive on the job site.
That's incredible. That's incredible. So, let's talk about why there's this capability, because the data logger is going to come with the new EP3000 HPU.
That is correct.
Right? So this HPU, forget about low force, high force, this HPU is going to be able to run the gamut as long as you've got the right inserts. and it's usable pipe, whether it's PE, PPR, whatever, it's going to be able to do it.
Absolutely.
And as you can see, the data logger is really nicely attached to the HPU. It can sit down here if you want it, or with this magnet base, it can go anywhere. Say you're in a lift, you can put it on the railing. It's going to make it really convenient for you.
It is, and like you mentioned, when you're connected to an iSeries machine or carriage, it knows through the data logger what machine it's connected to, what carriage is connected to.
On any of the iSeries, it connects here, it automatically knows it's a 160, 250, 315, whatever. And the footprint is just slightly wider than the footprint of the EP800, but it's an EP3000, right? This one's going to be able to operate your 160 through 315. It even operates the quick fit. Incredible. And you can take this and use it on your legacy equipment too.
That's correct.
It's amazing. Now, we won't have the iSeries features on the legacy equipment, but this one will still operate it.
That is true.
Okay, what are some of the features here on the base that we want to talk about?
So, like we talked about earlier, we do a lot of flange-to-flange fusions, which can be difficult. We've widened the jaws, making that super easy, and we're doing that. This jaw can come off with no tools very quickly to give you the 3-carriage jaw setup, so we can do those flange-to-flange real easy.
Yeah, and if you have issues with short neck fittings, remember, we added accessories called the reduced length facer stops.
That's correct.
Those come standard on this product right here. So not only do you have the wider jaws, you have reduced length facer stops. It gives you more neck to play with there. And if you buy the accessories offset inserts, those short neck fittings will nest in there and give you even more space than any other machine can give you for those short neck fittings. So that's great. And I love the fact that you can take this
very quickly and easily too.
I mean, before, if you went in a 3-jaw mode in a legacy equipment, you'd take these 3 off, right? And it wouldn't be on a base. Now you can take this off, continue to have it on a base, and if you want to do a tie-in with this machine, you simply take this off.
It's super easy too.
The same way you do the legacy equipment, and then detach your heater connection, and then use this heater to go overhead. This is incredible. From production to tie-in to taking away mistakes, your guided workflow on the data logger that not only tracks the entire pressure over time process where you can log it, but it also will give you a guided workflow. It shows you the next step in every single step along the way. It makes training so much easier. Jared, what
can it do?
I know. I mean, what our engineers have done with this is fantastic.
It's truly amazing.
Yeah.
And with our product ecosystem we have, this is really tying it all together from these smaller pipe ranges to bigger. So we're very happy it's here, and we're glad you guys should come by and check it out at the booth.
Yeah, so we're excited about it, and there's more to come on the iSeries going forward. Thanks a lot.